How you do one thing is how you do everything. If you can't show up for yourself, how are you going to show up for your family, your team, and your customers? At Cline's Heating and Air Conditioning, we don't do what's required. We do what's unrequired. We train to under-promise and over-deliver because setting the standard in our industry isn't just a slogan for us. It shows up in everything that we do, on the clock and off the clock. At 6 a.m., no one asked us to be here, but that's the point. How we show up for ourselves and our team is the same way that we show up for our customers and our community.